This Sunriver Realty property video is presented by Bryce C. Jones, PC, Broker Bedroom ABR, CRS, EPRO, GRI, RSPS, SFR. Nestled among the Ponderosa pines at the end of a cul-de-sac on a large lot, this remodeled home has it all. The kitchen has KraftMaid cabinets, gorgeous solid surface counters, and tiled backsplashes. Other improvements included a newer roof including sheathing, heat pump, updated baths, and more. The cross-fenced yard is perfect for the pooches. There is a covered hot tub off of the master and a gas fire pit just off of the kitchen dining area. There is an attached 2-car garage, plus an oversized third bay. There is also a large fenced area with a shed, perfect for boat RV parking. For more